What's up world, it's day 2 and very good morning to everyone. This is the place we stayed. I know that most of you couldn't see this at night yesterday, but here is the place. It's a very calm, good place if you want to stay for one night and if you want to crash for one night, because if you're coming in a big group it might be a problem for the neighbors if you make too much noise. So that is the only thing you need to keep in mind if you're staying here. But other than that, the facilities are good. There's no food, by the way, so they give a complimentary breakfast and that's kind of limited. That's the only problem. But other than that, the rooms are very clean, the washrooms are very clean and good. And we are heading out. We are not going around much places in Madikeri today, so everybody wants to get back. We are all working and this was like a chill out outing for us, but there's another excitement waiting ahead and you guys can also be a part of it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. These are the kind of roads I really love. One thing you should be really careful about is of the opposite traffic, because they try to overtake in the turns and from the wrong side. And for me, I know these roads. I've been here a couple of times and maybe that is one reason I'm comfortable with it. But yeah, if you don't know the roads, then safety is first, guys. No matter on what wheels you are in, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, whatever it is. We are back to Kushal Nagar. I just took a left from the highway and it says go straight for 5.8 kilometers. I can see a school here. I think I might have to inquire with someone about what exactly we have to see that side. How about ask this kid? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿಪುರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. So if you ask me how did I get to know about a place like this, my office cab driver told me. So his house is somewhere 38 kilometers from here towards Coorg. Awesome. So I just spoke to these two guys and they told we can go see backwaters, which is in Meenakshipura. We just need to head straight. This place is kind of chill, and I don't know how the backwaters is because I am heading towards that side for the first time. I'll just click some pictures until our car guys come. Let's go. If my understanding is right, what we're going to see ahead is basically the backwaters of what the KRS Dam is holding. KRS Dam in Mysore, the Vrindavan Gardens. So, yeah, this is the water that the KRS Dam is holding. And we may have to ask the exact place where we can get a good view. Sir, car ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ? ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿಪುರ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ಸ್
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾ,
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ರೋಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ ಹಾ,
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆನೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ರೋಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ ಹಾ,
ಎಡ್ಡಳಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಡ್ಡಳಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕಾರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. So we can already see the backwaters there, and that is a lot of water. Woo! This place looks amazing from here. I'm sure it's gonna get better. So guys, welcome to Meenakshipura backwaters. So this is the Kaveri river basically. It's behind the dam. The KRS dam is to my right side, and it looks like an ocean from here, just that there are no waves. I think the river is coming and joining from that side, and or from straight here. Let's take a look at the map. I think we'll get a better idea then. Okay, so it's actually coming from the left side. Well, this place was worth the pain. See you Meenakshipura probably next time when there is less fuss about coming to this place. Our next and last destination on this entire trip is Balmuri Falls. Everybody is really looking forward for that, and especially because we can play in the water. So let's head there. The roads are a little confusing because the Google map ends pretty far away from here, about 2 kilometers far away from here. So let me pass, guys. Another 14 kilometers to Balmuri Falls. I hope there are no confusions when we reach there. I don't know if many people know about this place, but I have a suggestion. Don't come on festive season because they open the gates and the water does not fall from the top. And the beauty of this place is that you should be able to see the waterfall from top. I'm definitely gonna come here again. Gonna have some fun for sure. We're on the Mysore-Bangalore highway and it's 157 kilometers. Says I'll reach at 9:50 p.m. It's a Saturday evening, so there is going to be traffic. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the day, guys. There are a lot of people who are gonna be crossing roads. That's one thing to watch out in Mysore Road always. Should have taken a bottle of water. I didn't carry my water pack this time because we had the other two cars. Oh, talking about them, they are held up in the traffic and I don't wanna really slow down. This is the last leg of our journey, guys. Thank you for staying tuned and watching it. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Do share, comment and provide your feedback. This is Echo Vlogs and I will see you on another beautiful day. Until then, ciao.